What's up, guys? I'm Brittany with Instruqt, and welcome to our December product update. We've got so many cool features to show you, so let's dive right in and check them out. First up, we've added some cool new updates to Instructor tools. The new Screenshare feature allows instructors to view and collaborate on participant screens, monitor progress in real time, and provide instant support when needed. Instructors and learners can now attach images directly within the chat. Cool! Lastly, actions will now appear as events in the chat, allowing instructors to track and monitor student activity and progress easily. Next, we are so pleased to announce the beta for Instruqt Salesforce and HubSpot integrations. Easily connect Instruqt with your Salesforce or HubSpot instance to create new leads and enrich existing ones with track play data, such as played tracks, time spent, and feedback provided. Our latest virtual browser enhancement optimizes performance by adding CPU power to instances, delivering a smoother, faster experience. What an amazing year it has been at Instruqt. We are so thankful to our customers and partners for spending 2024 with us, and we hope you'll stay tuned for more exciting updates in the coming year. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on all new Instruqt features and news. Wishing you a happy new year. I'll see you next time.